So today I am taking some problems which are based on the construction of frequency distribution table. This is the first question, which is also the question number 1 of exercise 14.2. कि the blood groups of 30 students of a class is recorded as, किसी क्लास के जो है 30 स्टूडेंट्स का जो है ब्लड ग्रुप जो है रिकॉर्ड किया गया, तो ऐसा कुछ डाटा आता है ए बी ओ ओ ए बी ओ ओ ऐसे लाइक दिस अप टू दिस वन. क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि रिप्रेजेंट दिस डाटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ FDT, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल, एंड देन फाइंड which is the first part most common blood group and second one is rarest blood group. Is it there? तो इसकी हमें जो है फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है. तो वी विल मेक these 3 columns. In the first column you will write blood groups, okay. In the second one you will write the tally marks, and in the last you will write frequency. So these are our blood groups A, B, O, AB. Tally marks are there. Now count blood group A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Blood group B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Blood group O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Blood group AB. 1, 2, 3. And then you will write the frequency like 6 and 5 and 4, 9 in this way. Now this is the row where you have to write total. Just look the total. This total should be equal to these numbers. So you are given here कि 30 students are there, then 9 and 6 15, 12 27 and 3 30. Okay, and here you can also draw the tally marks. So 30 tally marks are there. You can combine then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, and this is 30. Is it okay? Now the question was asked कि which is the most common blood group. Most common blood group जो कि जो है सबका पाया जाता है, यानी जो सबसे ज़्यादा लोगों में पाया जाएगा, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड मोस्ट कॉमन. तो जस्ट लुक ब्लड ग्रुप whose frequency is maximum, that is O. Therefore the most common blood group is O. Next one, the rarest blood group, दुर्लभ जो कि सबसे कम पाया जाता है, तो दैट इज जस्ट लुक इन दिस टेबल. 3 is the frequency of blood group AB. Therefore blood group AB is the rarest blood group. Okay. Now this is second question, which is question number 7 of exercise 14.2. The question is this कि the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Pi which is 22 upon 7. What is the meaning of this? कि you are dividing 22 by 7. So when you will divide, you will get such kind of decimal expansion like 3.14, 15, 926, 535, 89, 79, 32, 38, 46, 26, 433, 832, 795, 028, 8419, 7169, 3993, 7510. ये ऐसे करके जो है 50 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक है. तो क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि मेक अप FDT, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल ऑफ द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 9 आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. अब आपने क्या है कि डेसिमल के बाद की जो डिजिट्स हैं 0 से लेके 9 तक, उनकी हेल्प से यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? यू हैव टू अवॉइड दिस 3. ये 3 आपको यूज नहीं करना है इसमें आफ्टर द डेसिमल प्लेस, दीज 50 डिजिट्स. एंड द सेकंड पार्ट इज व्हाट आर द मोस्ट एंड द लीस्ट फ्रैंकली अकरिंग डिजिट्स. कौन सी डिजिट सबसे ज़्यादा बार अकर हो रही है और कौन सी डिजिट सबसे कम बार अकर हो रही है. ओके, मोस्ट फ्रैंकली अकरिंग मतलब तो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आपको दिखाई दे रही है, एंड लीस्ट फ्रैंकली अकरिंग मीन्स जो सबसे कम दिखाई दे रही है. तो व्हाट यू विल डू, अगेन यू विल draw 3 columns. In the first column you will write digits, second column you will write tally marks, and in the last column you will write frequency. So just look at our digits. Digits are given there from 0 to 9. So we will write the digits here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we will count how many times 0 is there. So just look here. When we will start from here, 1 0 is here and 1 0 is here. 2 times. So we will use 2 tally marks. Again 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1 is 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Again 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again 2 is again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 3 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 4 is there. How many times? 1, 2, 3. Again count and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times is 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it okay? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2 times. This is here. This is here. Is it okay? This is a digit. This is digit 4. This is 5. Now just come to the digit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 6. 7. 1, 2, 3 and again 4. 7 is again 4 times. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 8. And then 9 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. We will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times it is. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the numbers there. Now you have to write the total. So just look here. Just count them. 5 to 7, 5, 12, 8, 20, 24, 29, 33, 37 and 30. This is 50. This is 50. Is it there? and here you can also draw, otherwise leave this column blank, no problem. So in this way we can construct this frequency distribution table. Is it okay? Next question, which is question number 8 of exercise 14.2. कि 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV in the previous week and the result comes out is this. 30 children को 30 बच्चों को जो है ये पूछा गया कि उन्होंने जो है प्रीवियस वीक यानी इससे पहले हफ्ते में कितने कितने घंटे टीवी देखा, तो ऐसा कुछ डाटा निकल के आया. दिस 1 6 2 3 5 12 5 8 4 8 10 3 4 12 2 8 5 1 17 6 3 2 8 5 9 6 8 7 40 and 12. Question is this: construct a frequency distribution table FDT for this data taking class size 5 and one of the class interval as 10 15. हमने क्लास साइज क्या लेना है 5 और एक क्लास इंटरवल कैसे लेना है 10 to 15. तो जस्ट लुक हियर, व्हाट आर द क्लास one class interval given here 10 15. This one is given. Okay, now just look carefully. This is the class interval given 10-15. Is it here? What is our class size 5? What is our class size 5? जब मैं राइट की तरफ जा रहा हूं तो इन दोनों नंबर में 10 and 15 में जो है +5 करूंगा. When I am moving to the right side, we will add this 5 to in both the numbers. So what will become a 10 plus 5? 15 dash 20. And when we will go to the right side, we will subtract 5. यानी -5 we will do here. Okay, so what will happen? 10 minus 5 5 or 15 minus 5 10. Again we are going to the left hand side, -5 will be there. So what will happen? 5 minus 5 0 and this is 5. Is it okay? So these are our class intervals. Which one? 0 to 5 I have written here. 5 to 10 is it here? 10 to 15 is here. 15 to 20 is here. These are our class intervals. Now the tally marks and the frequency. So just look here, 0 to 5. What we have to do in this class interval? 0 we have to include but 5 not. Okay, इसमें 0 को जो है इंक्लूड कर देना है और 5 को एक्सक्लूड. तो जस्ट लुक हियर, नाउ काउंट 0 to 5. दिस इज 0 is not here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Count the 5 to 10. So you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 or which is left 13. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 10 to 15 we will count 10. 1 this is 2 3 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and between 15 to 20. 15 we will include, and there is nothing, there is 15 is here, and this one 17. So these are 2. These are the tally marks, and these are the frequencies. Add them. 10 and 13, 23 and 5, 28 and 2, 23. It means this construction of frequency distribution table is correct. Okay. And this is the next question. In the question number 3rd, this question in the given question, find the range of the data. In this question, all the class intervals, third part, lower limit of the third class interval, fourth one is class size or class width, and the fifth part is class marks of the second and third class interval. Is it okay? So just look at the solution. First part, range of the data. This each number is called the observation or entry. So what is the range of the data? Highest observation minus lowest observation. So just look here. Which is the highest number here? 17. And the lowest number is 1. So what is the range of the data? 16. The second part, all the class intervals. These are the class intervals. First, plus class interval 0 to 5. Okay. Then second, third and fourth. Five to 10, 10 to 15, and 15 to 20. The third part, lower limit of the third class interval. Lower limit of third class interval or simply class. So what is our third class? 10-15. 10-15. So 10 is the previous number is 10. This is the lower limit. Okay. Lower limit of the third class interval is 10. And this 15 is the upper limit. Upper limit of third class interval. That is, what is the greatest number there? The second number. That is 15. This is the fourth part. Class size. Class size, or this is called class width. You can take any of the class. इनमें से आप किसी भी एक क्लास को ले लीजिए and then use this formula. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is called class width. You can take any of the class. So what is this? You can say, as I am taking the second class, 10 minus 5 is equal to what? 5. And the fifth part, class marks of second and third class interval. And this is the fifth part. This is the fifth part. Class marks of second class interval. Second class interval. The class marks is given by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. What is the formula for class marks? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. The second class interval, that is 5 plus 10. What will happen? 5 plus 10 upon 2, that is 15 upon 2, that is 7.5 is the class marks of second class interval, and the class marks of third class interval and the third class interval, third CI, that will be, look at the lower limit and upper limit. This is 10 plus 15 upon 2. 10 plus 15 upon 2, that is 25 upon 2 and 12.5. 12.5. Is it there? So in this way we can calculate this class marks of each class interval. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.